How to add admin on group chat. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to add admin on group chat. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, what we need to do is to just head over to our messenger app on our phone. So here it is right here. And then from in there you can actually create a group chat of your own. You can just click on this pencil icon and then just add the people that you want in your group chat. Now I already created mine right here. Now since you already have your group chat, what you need to do is just click on this information icon right here. And then from in there you can see all of the settings of your group chat, right? So what you need to do is you can just scroll down until you can see the see members. So click on see members. In here you can see all the members that you have, and in here you can see all the admins in this specific group chat. Now if you want to add an admin to this group chat, what you need to do is just click on the name of the person that you want to add as an admin. I will click this person's name right here, and then I can see their name, I can edit their nickname, and from here you can also see that I can invite them as an admin. So click on that right there, click on add, and then as you can see, if I click on admins right here again, I can now see that person as an admin, and it will also post this specific notification on my group chat. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add admin on group chat. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe or like. Thanks.